Hi viewers, welcome back to our new video on digital concepts in architecture. Here we are going to see different digital concepts in architecture with a building case studies. Computer aided design bridges the gaps between designing and producing. Integrating computer aided design redefines the relationship between design and production. It also eliminates many geometric constraints demanded by our traditional drawings and the production processes. It makes the complex curved shapes much easier to handle. Digital architecture refers to the computationally based process of form origination and transformations. Several digital architectures are identified based on different concepts. We have topological spaces as topological architectures, isomorphic surfaces as isomorphic architectures, motion kinematics and dynamics as animate architecture, key-shape animations as metamorphic architectures. Then we have parametric designs, genetic algorithms as evolutionary architectures. Let us see the other digital concepts with examples. Let me start with topological architecture. It is a study of geometrical properties and spatial relations unaffected by the continuous change of shape or size of figures. The way in which constituent parts are interrelated or arranged are generally referred as topological architectures. Topological architecture, it is a new approach to design that move away deconstructivism's logic of conflict and contradiction to develop a more fluid logic of connectivities. This is manifested through folding that departs from Euclidean geometry of discrete volumes and employs topological rubber sheet geometry of continuous curves and surfaces. In topological space, geometry is represented by parametric functions, which describes a range of possibilities. The continuous, highly curvilinear surfaces are mathematically described as NURBS, non-uniform rational baselines. What makes NURB curves and surfaces particularly appealing is the ability to easily control the shapes by manipulating the control points, weights and knots. NURBS makes the heterogeneous and coherent forms of topological space computationally possible. Animation architecture. Motion, kinematics and dynamics is called animation architecture. Animation software is used as a medium for form generation. In Yas Hotel, they applied animation architecture in the facade treatment. Here, the force becomes the cause of both motion and particular inflections of a form. While motion implies movement and action, animation implies the evolution of a form and it shaping the forces. Animate design is defined as the co-presence of motion and force at the moment of formal conception. And about metamorphic architecture. Metamorphic generation of form includes several techniques such as key-shape animation, deformation of the modeling space around the model using a bounding box or a spline curve or one of the coordinate system axis or a plane. Path animation deforms an object as it moves along a selected path. In a key-shape animation, changes in the geometry are recorded as a keyframes, as a key shapes, and the software then computes the in-between states. In deformation of the modeling space, object shapes conforms to the changes in geometry of the modeling spaces. Morphing procedure. It initially starts with shape with functional parallel pivots and then intermediate configurations are created through morphing softwares, and finally the ideal shape from the original form is generated. And about parametric architecture. In parametric design, it is a parameter of a particular design that are declared, not its shape. By assigning different values to the parameters, different objects or configurations can be created. Equations can be used to describe the relationship between objects and defining its associative geometry. That way, interdependencies between objects can be established and the object's behavior under transformations are defined. Parametric design often entails a procedural algorithmic descriptions of geometry. In this algorithmic spectaculars, algorithmic explorations of tectonic projections using the mathematical software, architects can construct mathematical models and generative procedures that are constrained by numerous variables initially unrelated to any pragmatic concerns. Each variable or process is a slot into which an external influence can be mapped either statically or dynamically. Blobby texture. from blob architecture, or called as blobism or blobisms, a term for a movement in architecture in which buildings have an organic or amoeba shaped bulging form. Gray's Art Museum was built as a part of European Capital of Culture celebration in 2003, and it has become an architectural landmark in Graz, Austria. And about evolutionary architecture, it proposes the evolutionary model of nature as a generating process for architectural form. Architecture concepts are expressed as a generative rules so that their evolution and development can be accelerated and tested by the use of computer models. Concepts are described in a genetic language which produces a code script of instructions for form generation. Computer models are used to simulate the development of prototypical forms, which are then evaluated on basis of the performance in a simulated environment. Very large number of evolutionary steps can be generated in a short space of time, and the emergent forms are often unexpected. The key concept behind the evolutionary architecture is that of genetic algorithm. The key characteristics is a string-like structure equivalent to the chromosomes of nature, to which the rules of reproduction, gene crossover and mutation is applied. And about isomorphic architecture, the isomorphic surfaces are combination of forms in additive or subtractive. These open up another formal universe where forms may undergo variations and giving rise to new possibilities. Creating new possibilities by interacting objects with each other instead of just occupying the spaces. They become connected through a logic where the whole is always open to variations as a new block, as a field of influence are added or new relations were made. The surface boundary of the whole, the isomorphic surface, shifts or moves as a field of influence varying their location and intensity. In that way, objects begin to operate in a dynamic rather than a static geography. Fractals. Fractals found in nature displays self-similarity over extended but finite scale ranges. Fractals are self-similar sets whose patterns are composed of smaller scales copied of themselves, possessing self-similarities across scales. Fractal geometry is the formal study of mathematical shape that displays a progression of never-ending self-similar detail from large to small scale. It has the descriptive power to capture, explain and enhance one's appreciation and control over the complex diversity. Federation Square in Australia. Its distinctive look is inspired by fractals, complex patterns that are identical both on a smaller scale and when viewed as a whole. Three cladding material, sandstone, zinc and glass, all forms a triangular pinwheel grids. This modular system uses 5 single triangles, all of the same size and proportion, to make up a larger triangular panel. Following the same geometric logic, 5 panels are joined together to create a larger triangular mega panel, which is then mounted onto the structural frame to form the visible facets. In this way, the exterior design of Federation Square is unified regardless of the distance from which it is viewed, bridging the gap between its being a piece of architectural art and a utilitarian space designed to be used and experienced from inside. Fractals applied in airport roofing structure. The finest fractal column design can be seen at Stuttgart Airport. A shopping mall in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. If you closely look at the Lideta Mercado, a shopping mall in Ethiopia, you will notice a unique pattern on its skin, inspired by the beautiful bold patterns found on Ethiopian women's dress. But if you look closer, you will also notice something else, that the design is based on fractal geometry. And Voronoi. Look at giraffe's fur and you will see a collection of irregular brown spots that fit together like a puzzle piece. The delicate veins on a dragon's fly wings also outline a puzzle-like collections of irregular translucent cells, and the honeycomb cells built by bees also appear to fit together, although in this case arrangements is irregular. All these natural patterns may be modeled with a mathematical technique known as Voronoi tessellations. The Voronoi diagram is a system that divides a space into subspaces in an organic way. The diagram uses points to create a cells that surround these points. Use of Voronoi diagram in fields such as architecture and urban design has increased the widespread of use of parametric design in architecture. It is used to search the nearest neighborhood, determining the position function nodes, finding the largest empty circle cells, and path planning edges, and many including architectural design and urban planning. Diagrammatic architecture. Diagrammatic approaches in architectural design addressing architectural and urban design through the use of diagrams. Diagrams have an extraordinary potential as a tool for the analysis of architectural and urban problems. The concept involved in the reinvention of the library as an access point to information presented in a variety of media. The Seattle Public Library does not reinvent or modernize traditionals, they are just packaged in a new way. The diagrammatic form of Seattle Public Library's glass and metal skin began with the simple concept of wrapping the entire building in a continuous layer of transparency. This layer, with its planes, outlines elevated the platforms of programmed spaces on the exterior, while creating a variety of interconnected spaces on the interiors. So that is all for today, but still, whatever we have seen is just a start only. We have more to learn on a digital concept. See you soon with part 2. Hope you will enjoy this video. Do share and subscribe our channel for regular updates on our next videos. Thank you.